Picture this. It's a random Wednesday night. You're lying in bed, scrolling through your phone, and you see someone post their investment account screenshot. $47,000, $83,000, $120,000. And you think, how? I work just as hard, I make decent money, but my account doesn't look anything like that. So you start wondering, are these people just lucky? Do they have some secret system I don't know about? Here's the truth. Most of them aren't smarter than you. They aren't working harder than you. They just set up one simple system early and then did almost nothing after that. And that system is called automation. Because here's what nobody tells you. The biggest enemy of building wealth isn't a bad investment. It's your own brain. Left to make decisions every month, your brain will always find a reason to spend instead of save. A dinner out, a new gadget, an emergency that somehow always appears right before you plan to invest. But when the system moves money automatically before your brain gets involved, everything changes. My name is Alex. If you're someone who wants to grow wealth without constantly thinking about money, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. Most people think building wealth requires constant effort. Watching the market every day, making smart trades, timing everything perfectly. But research tells a completely different story. A famous study by Fidelity looked at which accounts performed best over long periods. The results were shocking. The best performing accounts belonged to people who had either forgotten they had the account or had died. Let that sink in. The people who did the least performed the best because they weren't constantly reacting. They weren't panic selling. They weren't chasing trends. They just let the system run. And this is the foundation of what I call the automatic wealth system. 3 simple steps that move your money without you touching it. Here's what most people don't realize. The problem isn't that people don't want to save. Research from the Federal Reserve shows that nearly 40% of Americans struggle to cover a $400 emergency. These aren't lazy people. These are people without a system. Because without a system, saving is a decision you have to make every single month. And decisions are exhausting. Decisions require willpower. And willpower runs out. But automation removes the decision entirely. So here's how the system works. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Automatically. Most people do this backwards. They earn money, they spend, then they save whatever's left. The problem? There's almost never anything left. The solution is simple. The moment your paycheck lands, a fixed amount moves automatically to a separate savings or investment account before you ever see it. This is called paying yourself first. And it works because of one psychological principle. You can't spend what you don't see. Here's the math. Let's say you earn $3,500 per month. You set up an automatic transfer of just $350. That's 10% on payday. Every month, without thinking. In 1 year, that's $4,200 saved. In 5 years, that's $21,000. Invested at 8% annual returns over 20 years. That single habit alone could grow to roughly $190,000. Not because you were brilliant, because you were automatic. Step 2. Automate your investments, not just your savings. Here's where most people stop too early. They automate savings into a regular bank account, earning maybe 1% interest, and then wonder why their wealth isn't growing. Saving and investing are 2 different jobs. Savings protect your money. Investments grow your money. Once your automatic transfer lands in your account, it needs to automatically move again into an investment account, into a broad index fund, into an asset that works while you sleep. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned around 10% annually on average over long periods. Compare that to a savings account at 1%. Same money, completely different outcome over time. The setup takes about 15 minutes. Most brokerages allow you to schedule automatic recurring investments. You set the amount, you set the date, and every month, without opening a single app, your money goes to work. Step 3. Automate the increase. This is the step almost nobody talks about. Most people set up automation once and forget it, which is good. But there's one extra move that quietly accelerates everything. Every time your income increases, automatically increase your investment contribution, even by just 1%. Here's why this matters. Lifestyle inflation is silent. You get a raise. Your lifestyle upgrades. Your bank account stays the same. It happens to almost everyone without them noticing. But if you commit to one rule, save at least half of every raise, the system compounds faster than you ever expected. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine two people. Both start earning $3,000 per month. Person A automates $300 per month and never adjusts it. Person B automates $300 per month, but increases it by $50 every time they get a raise. After 10 years, Person A has built a solid foundation. Person B has built something dramatically larger, not because they worked harder, but because the system grew with them. Now let's talk about the silent destroyer of this entire system. Because automation without awareness of fees is like filling a bucket with a slow leak. You're adding water, but you're losing more than you realize. Some actively managed funds charge around 1% per year. Index funds often charge as little as 0.03% to 0.05%. That difference sounds tiny, but over 30 years, a 1% fee difference on a $100,000 portfolio can cost you over $80,000 in lost growth. So when you automate into low-cost index funds, not complicated products, not high-fee managed accounts, simple, boring, low-cost funds. Here's a quick story. A friend of mine spent years trying to actively manage his money, watching the market, moving things around, trying to time everything perfectly. After 3 years, he had barely more than when he started. Then he did one thing differently. He automated everything, set a fixed investment on payday, chose a broad index fund, turned off the notifications. 2 years later, without changing his income, without making a single trade, his account had grown more than in the previous 3 years combined. He didn't get smarter. He got out of his own way. So here's the complete automatic wealth system. Step 1. Automate a fixed percentage of every paycheck into a separate account the moment it lands. Step 2. Automate that money into a low-cost broad index fund on a recurring schedule. Step 3. Every time your income increases, automatically increase your contribution. Then, and this is the hardest part, leave it alone. No checking every day. No reacting to market news. No second guessing. Because here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Wealth isn't built through brilliant decisions made at the perfect moment. It's built through boring decisions made automatically, repeated for years. 5 years from now is coming whether you prepare or not. The only question is whether your money will be working while you sleep, or sitting still while you wonder where it all went. The system takes 30 minutes to set up. The results last a lifetime. If this video helped you think about money differently, hit the subscribe button. And I want to know, do you currently have any automatic investment set up, or is everything still manual? Let me know in the comments. Because sometimes the difference between staying stuck and building real wealth is simply deciding to let the system do the work for you.